I've been cooking my pasta for a while, you can stir your pasta. To make sure your pasta's done, the way that I do it is I take one of the pastas and taste them and see if it's all right to my taste. And that's how I can tell if my pasta's done. If it's hard, then you know it's too crunchy to eat. But if it's soft and it's tender or just got a little bite to it, it is ready to be drained and continue. And I'm draining my pasta. And as you notice, you might see a lot of starch around your pasta bowl, but that's okay. That's just starch, nothing to worry. Just drain your pasta to the best of your knowledge and get ready for the next step. Now that I got a nice hot clean pot, I'm going to add my tuna with oil. The only reason why I'm adding my tuna with oil is because it gives a better flavor. Now I'm going to cook this tuna down, get it nice and hot. Then I'm going to add in my other ingredients. Now that you can see my tuna is hot and cooked, I'm going to start adding in my other ingredients. Adding in my mushroom soup. And combining this together. Now I'm adding in my other can of soup mix, combining this also together. This is my celery. Now that I've added my cream of mushroom soup and my cream of celery with my tuna that I have cooked, I'm going to completely add my other ingredients. And I'm adding in my cheese sauce. Okay, so it should look like this, and it still should be cooking. Now I'm going to add in my pasta. I cooked this earlier, and I'm adding this in, and I'm combining. Last ingredients is the different ingredients. And we're going to add 1/2 cup of cooked fresh broccoli. We're going to stir, combine, and still let it cook until it gets hot. And there you go. Please subscribe to our news channel and follow us on social media. And the last ingredients is pepper. Stir, and it's done.